The appeals court has set aside the not guilty verdict of Calaney Flowers and ordered for a retrial for murder, an appeal that was sought by the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions. Retrials are ordered often enough, but the previous case bore a degree of novelty in that it has gone before all levels of the court system, including the Caribbean Court of Justice. The incident in August of 2012 that drew the charge of murder against Flowers happened near a speed bump in front of the Central Assembly of God Church on Freetown Road. A car driven by Flowers crashed so violently into the back of her ex-boyfriend's motorcycle that it flung him and his passenger, Sochil Sosa, to the pavement. While Sosa survived, the driver, Lyndon Morrison, died. Flowers, an Atlantic Bank teller at the time, was charged with Morrison's murder. When the not guilty verdict was appealed, the Court of Appeal found that, essentially, the trial judge had erred in law by failing to consider whether Flowers had intent sufficient to support the alternative, that is, manslaughter, a consideration that Section 1261 of the Indictable Procedure Act requires in this scenario. Presiding judge in the first trial, Justice Truario Gonzalez, found at the end of the case in March of 2017 that there was no evidence to confirm that Morrison's death was the result of a murder. After that ruling, Flowers went to the United States, and in 2019, the Court of Appeal dismissed the appeal by the Office of the DPP of the verdict. The case was taken before the CCJ, which referred the matter back to the Court of Appeal. There, the court concluded that Justice Gonzalez had erred in his judgment. The issue now is whether or not Calaney Flowers will be located to face a new trial. When we checked today, she was not in remand at the Belize Central Prison. In fact, word is that she is out of the country. Reporting for News 5, I'm Marion Ali.